Okay, here we go. We are on Utopia of the Seas. We have a balcony room. I have not been in yet because I want to show you guys when I see everything first too. So come with us inside. Okay, here we are. Okay, lots of space, right? Because there's only two of us staying in this room, so that's awesome. We obviously have our restroom area, so we have a nice shower and our toilet and sink area, all the good stuff in there. And then bed, very essential because we are going to be tired after all of the exploring we're going to do for all of our clients. You do have some closet space. Very nice. You have hangers. I bring my own, so all my dresses are already on hangers. I'm just going to pop them right in there. We have our sofa area here, which will have an extra sleeping area. Okay. We have a desk because, of course, we have to do some work while we're here and give some quotes for clients and make some travel arrangements. And then we have our beds. And again, you have more closet space. Beyond the beds. Oh, look at this. We haven't left yet, but it's still so beautiful. Okay, so beyond the beds is our balcony. Look at that's so spacious. I cannot wait to just have some coffee out here in the morning and see. Okay, if you didn't hear me, we are on Utopia of the Seas. We are with Royal Caribbean. I'm so excited. Everything is so crisp and clean and brand new. It is enormous. I can't wait to share more of the ship with you. Bye.